Hi everyone. We actually bought this game and it has been so much fun for our kids. It's called Oh My Pigeons, and it actually comes with 36 of these cute little pigeons that are actually here that you're put in the flock, which is in the middle of the board. And then it has 50 different cards, one custom dice that actually has different things that it does, like stealing other people's pigeons, or pigeon poop that you get to stop. And if I got a pigeon poop, I can flick this dice and send the pigeons flying. And so the kids really like this game because it kind of involves some interaction. And it's a very simple game to play. You've got your bench. The object is to fill the bench with pigeons. And you start out with 3 cards, and each card has a different action that you can take. So for my first turn, maybe I say I want to play this card and say, is this a pigeon? And all players take 1 pigeon from the flock and move to their bench. Simply draw a card, and then the next person plays. Go ahead and play one. He's going to play Oh My Pigeons, which means you get to roll the dice. So he's going to roll the dice, and he got a 2 of a stealy. So he can steal it from either me or her, or if he doesn't want to take it from either one of us, or we don't have one, he takes it from the flock. And this kind of gameplay just continues around the board until eventually one person has filled their entire bench. Can easily be played with just 2 people, up to 5 people, because they provide you with some additional benches in there as well. It's a very fun game. We highly recommend it.